how to turn on screen mirroring on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Today I'm going to show you a super quick and easy way to turn on screen mirroring on your iPhone. Whether you want to share photos on a big screen, present something from your phone, or just watch videos on your TV, this feature is incredibly useful. So first thing you'll need to do is head over to your settings and first make sure that the two things, your TV and your phone, is connected to the same Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. So make sure that you toggle on the same Wi-Fi and the make sure that you toggle on Bluetooth. And once you have done that, what you need to do is you will need to head over to General, and there you'll need to scroll down and go to AirPlay and Continuity. And from here you need to go to automatically AirPlay and set it to ask or automatic. And once you've done that, you need to swipe down from the top right, access a control menu, and you can see the screen mirroring option right there. It looks like two triangles. Just tap on it, and now you'll need to wait for your TV to appear. You can tap on it and then start your screen mirroring. It's as simple as that. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.